Oh, seriously, it just went right under.
And that just happened in a few seconds.
And there and there. It went right through here, right? But you know what? It started there and it went through us and kept going. You hear it like thunder rolling in the distance?
That was scary.
That was very cool. And the whole
Shook the whole thing.
Moved, the water went up and down in the holes.
And we shaked.
It was cool. Very cool.
Yep.
Nothing wrong with that.
Very exciting too. It's never happened to you or me or Camryn.
Not like that. We've heard it all day today, but that's the wind. That's what the wind does.
It like almost made me fall.
It moves the ice is, doing this.
Okay.
This is where you get these ridges.